It's a 2015 Chevrolet Tahoe. Advanced safety features, a refined cabin, and towing capability make this Tahoe the perfect combination of comfort and versatility. It comes with features you need, and better yet, want. Ecotec 3 engine, dual zone climate control, integrated navigation system with voice activation, rear park assist, heated steering wheel, OnStar 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, hands-free liftgate, memory exterior door mirror settings, and heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. Chevy, 100 years of icons. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Call us today at 813-565-0061.